Hey everybody, good morning, good evening, good noon, good night. How are you? I hope you're amazing. If you don't know, my name is Jaden and welcome to my channel. I am so excited to share this wig with you guys today. So let's just get into it. Today's wig is brought to you by Alipearl. Thank you so much for wanting to work with me. I had so much fun making this video with some great quality hair. I'm so excited to show you guys this wig because I really feel like this video didn't do it any justice at all, really. But I could go on all day about how good this hair was. Like, I could rant about it all day, literally. The wig that I'm working with today is a 5x5 HD closure wig. It is 20 inches and it's in the style deep wave. So just a little story time. When I was communicating with the company, I had originally kind of asked for, I wanted something really thick. I wanted the hair to be pretty thick. So I asked them for a 200 density wig, and they told me, they was like, no, for this inch, 180 wig would be just fine. Like, it's full, it'll be fine. So I was kind of skeptical, but I just said, okay, cool. We're just gonna go with the 180, and if it's not full, then there's just gonna be something that, you know what I'm saying, that's on y'all part, you know what I'm saying? But look at this hair. They was not lying. Wait a minute. Look at the closure. It's giving scalp. And if you saw, I only put makeup on a small portion of the wig cap. I didn't even do the ball cap method, none of that. And it was still giving scalp. The knots bleached so well. And it's very transparent. HD lace, it is definitely an HD lace. It is melting straight into my scalp. But yeah, she was like, no, like, everybody who gets the 20-inch wig is fine, just fine with the 180 density. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. So I'm like, okay, cool. Your hair, it's your company, you know it better than me. But I was still kind of scared because I'm like, bro, I don't want no skimpy wig. But look at this hair when I start combing it out. It just gets bigger and bigger and bigger. The curls were so soft, like butter. I kid you not, that had to have been the softest wig I've ever had in my life. And I'm not kidding. And that's with all textures, straight, body wave. But this, even though it was curly, it wasn't dry. It didn't feel stripped or nothing. It was so freaking soft, straight out of the package. I loved it. I can't stress that enough, how much I was in love with this wig from the moment that I opened it. I'm not gonna go too in depth on how I'm installing this because it's 2022, and in this day and age, if you don't know how to do a wig by now, maybe you shouldn't be putting on a wig. I'm just kidding. I ain't even gonna say that because it's never too late to learn. Learn, baby, learn. But not here, okay? I'm not gonna be telling you too much on what I'm doing. There are thousands of videos on YouTube, so please go and learn. I don't think I'm good enough to be teaching anybody anyway. Okay, hold on, let me keep up. Look at the curls. Okay, but listen, I really wasn't feeling this look. I feel like I could have did it a little bit more justice because it's a great wig, and I feel like I could do better. So I'm gonna do a part 2 with this wig, reinstalling it, maybe color it a little bit, maybe do a little something else. So stay tuned for that because I really feel like I could have did a little bit better. No cap. So here's the end results on what I did. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing a part 2 with this wig because I'm not done with it. I'm not. But I still feel like you get the gist. Like, look at this hair. Look at the scalp. It's giving. It's giving. Even when it ain't giving, it's giving. And it's time for me to say goodbye, guys. If you haven't already, go follow me on my socials so I can see you every day. Like, comment, and definitely subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.